Hi guys, welcome to my pamper routine. So I have been having such busy days and busy weeks that my mom suggested for me to have a rest day and I really like that idea. So here I am pampering myself. So I decided to take a long hot shower and I'm using Love Beauty and Planet's lavender shampoo to wash my hair. To wash my scalp specifically, and oh my god, it was so hydrating. I really needed that. It was amazing. And I'm using their conditioner as well. This was also very hydrating and very smooth, and it smelled amazing. Now to shave my body, I'm using this Dove's coconut oil mousse, and it was amazing. Then I washed off my conditioner, and to scrub my body I'm using this Dove scrubber, and it was so smooth and silky. Oh my god, and it smelled delicious. All the things that I used today were smelling amazing. Now for my skin, I'm using this very gentle cleanser that my doctor, my dermat, recommended me a few months back. So I used that to clean my face today. Then I'm using this Good Vibes Rose Hip Oil to moisturize my face. You need that extra moisturizer in winter, and I was so calm and I was feeling so peaceful by this time. Then I also decided to do eye mask today because I bought this like few days back और मैंने ये यूज़ ही नहीं किया था, so I thought today was a good day to use this. This is I think Garnier's eye mask. So I kept that on for good 8 to 10 minutes. For my lips, obviously I use Laneige lip mask. I'm obsessed with this product. Oh my god, I can't stop talking about it. I can't stop using it. So I use that. Then after 8-10 minutes I took that mask off and massaged my face again. Then I also decided to go on with one more moisturizing layer. So I'm using this Cetaphil's night cream that I'm trying recently. And it's winter, and my skin is extremely dry, so I need good amount of moisture, like moisturizers. I'm so glad I did this. Oh my god, it was such amazing pamper routine. Then for my hair, I decided to go with good old Livon hair serum. I applied lip balm as well. This was a little tinted one. I really needed this break and it felt amazing. So this is how my skin was looking. My camera cannot do justice to how beautiful my skin was looking, and it was feeling amazing. Now for food, I obviously decided to make something, carbs. So I'm eating this very desi pizza. So मेरे को बिल्कुल भी ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी थी. So I have just taken this pizza base, added some pizza sauce. Some more pizza sauce. Then I put some veggies there and cheese and lot of cheese. I was enjoying this day like nobody's business. It was so much fun. Then some chili flakes and oregano, and then some more cheese, like I said. I preheated the oven and then put this for I think 7 minutes. I had this with Coke. Yes, I like to have Coke and everything in my coffee mug. I just like the feeling of it. And then I had this food with this Netflix series that I'm watching recently. Currently I'm watching Gilmore Girls. So, oh my god, I enjoyed this so much. And I really needed that. And I'm so glad my mom suggested this. So I made this video for you guys as a reminder to take a break and take a rest day and pamper yourself and have fun. and chill and relax. Like, I was really scared and really like going crazy and anxious that I did not work and I was not working, but then I decided to like let it go and just enjoy and have fun. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.